So, okay, so we're gonna do the angle of elevation and the angle of depression. But first, let's recap on some things here. The sine of an angle is when we have the opposite over the adjacent. I mean the hypotenuse. I'm sorry, adjacent. The hypotenuse. The cosine of an angle is when we have the adjacent over the hypotenuse, right? The tangent of an angle is when we have the opposite over the adjacent. Okay? But first, we're going to draw some pictures. Okay? And we're going to have to use our abilities to add, subtract, multiply, and divide to do some things. Okay? So Casey is this kid, sites the top of an 80-foot tall lighthouse at an angle of elevation of 58 degrees. So here's a kid. That's the kid. Here's a lighthouse. Now, the lighthouse is 84 feet tall. So from here to here, to all the way to the bottom, we have 84 feet. There's this angle that's created. So I'm going to create this angle. Create this angle to the top of the lighthouse, right? So the kid's looking up, all right? And this angle here, so I'm gonna go straight across. So this angle right here is 58 degrees. So first of all, let's see what they're gonna do. They wanna know, well, they say Casey is 6 feet tall. Here, this kid is 6 feet tall. Right? That's Casey. Now, they want to know how far is he standing from the base of the lighthouse. So they want to know this distance right here. This is my x. This is a rectangle I just created, so this is x. But how am I going to find out what x is if it's on, let me show you. It's on this triangle. Because I don't have anything, I don't have x, I don't have the side that's opposite, and I don't have the hypotenuse. But, guess what? You could get the side that's opposite. The opposite side equals, if this is 6 over here, then this distance from here to here is 6 feet tall. That means the opposite side of this 58 degrees, the side opposite 58 degrees is going to equal 84 minus 6. So you do have something. Now I want to find x. I want to find this side that's adjacent. But let's find this opposite side first. It's going to equal 78, right? 78. So I'm going to redraw my triangle now. So I can find x. I can find the distance from that kid to the lighthouse. So here's my triangle. This is 58. Let me make that small. I have 58 degrees right here. 58 degrees. I'm just going to make that bigger. That's an ugly triangle. So this is 58 degrees. And here I know that this is 78. And down here I need x. So this is 58. Okay, so I'm going to create my box of knowledge here. I got my angle. It's 58 degrees. The side opposite, adjacent, and the hypotenuse. So the side opposite is 78. The side is adjacent is x. The hypotenuse, I don't know. So I'm going to be using the tangent function here. So I'm going to write the tan of 58 equals O over 8, or 78 over x. So what we can do when the x is on the bottom, we can switch. We can just flip one side. That means I'm going to have x equals 78 over tan 58. Okay? And that's my final answer. This is the distance from that kid to the base of that, White House. For the next one, we have the angle of elevation from a kicker's foot on the football field to the top of the goal post. Post bars is 17 degrees. So here's my foot. Here's the top of the goal post bars right here, right? And the angle is 17 degrees. If he's standing 131 feet away, what's X? So you have everything you need there. My angle is 17 degrees. O, X, A, 131, and H is, we don't know. So we're going to be using if we have O and an A, look back up at your paper, guys. O and an A is a sine function. So you're going to be using the sine function. You set up your equation. The sine of 17 equals X over 131. And here we just switch. So 131 sine of 17 equals X. And there's your answer. So create your diagram, draw your picture, solve for the missing part. If you're stumped at this point, that's unfortunate because you've taken this course at least a second time at this point. So you should be doing these problems. Have a good day, guys.